up
Yeah, up or down.
or down,
Yeah,
and I will push it on OK.
yeah,
And to conclude,
yeah.
I can enjoy easily a movie.
No, the movie easily.
The movie easily.
All right. So did you get the idea?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's good to practice
After that,
after that.
yeah. Or while doing it, right?
Yeah, while doing it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you explain how to do the arm bar technique?
Ooh.
How to do it? Oh no, you have to try. Oh no, you try. You think. First thing you.
So,
Yeah.
how to do the basic arm bar?
Basic.
Arm bar.
Okay.
So, firstly,
¿Es enviado?
you have to
Ah, no lo han enviado. Ah, no lo han enviado. You have to.
catch
Yeah.
one arm with your hands.
Yeah. Hands.
Hands.
Mira cómo lo digo yo. Hands. Como si me faltara el aire.
Hands.
Como si no puedo respirar. No puedo respirar.
With your hands.
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 Ahora, cuando haces un bao con el vidrio, ¿qué haces?
Yeah.
Y se forma un bao.
Okay.
Ahí está.
So, firstly, you have to catch one arm with your hands.
Good.
Then, secondly,
Second of all, secondly, yeah.
Secondly, you will pass one of your
Ahora, legs. Porque solo tienes dos, no una, dos. Hasta el día de hoy tienes dos.
under the neck of your opponent.
Casi under your opponent's neck.
Under your opponent's neck.
¿Ves?
Okay. Your
¿Cómo se dice?
catch.
O grab.
Grab.
O grab o catch.
Yeah.
O get.
And with your other legs,
Other legs. Yeah.
you.
Other leg, por eso tienes dos, no tres.
Well,
Si no sería other legs.
okay.
¿Qué eres un 100 pies o eres un ser humano? What are you? Are you a human being or are you an insect?
So I need to say with your second legs?
Yeah, no, leg, because you only have two legs.
Okay.
And you have three.
Before you say
Por eso
legs.
te hacen la broma, are you an insect or are you a human being? Because you were an insect, you would have more than one leg or two legs. Are you an insect or a human being? I'm asking. What are you?
Insect.
A mantis.
Inside,
A
I'm an
mantis.
insect.
Mantis.
I look like a human, but I'm an insect.
I'm an insect, right? Very good.
It's a big
Like the girl.
secret. I
Like the
reveal
blonde
a
girl.
big secret.
Like the girl, right? Like the guy.
Maybe.
We have to talk about her now.
Yeah. And so with your other leg,
Yeah?
you block the arm
Yeah?
of the
Opponents?
opponent,
Or your opponent?
of your
Opponent.
opponent.
Solo es uno.
Okay. You have to do that when you are on the floor.
On the
already.
floor, exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, well, not necessarily. There is one reason you can do it.
But
Air.
I was.
It's called the helicopter arm.
Okay.
Alright.
But I was thinking about off.
¿Qué dijo la mujer esa? Ah, no, head off, ¿no dijo? Off, pues eso.
I was thinking
Of?
the
Of.
armbar on the floor.
Yeah, the typical arm bar.
Yeah. And once you catch one arm, you put your legs on one arm of your opponent and under his neck, you have to lay down with the arm of your
Lay or lie? No, lay down.
lay down.
Yeah.
You keep
Or lie down. Lay down, right? I'm not sure. Lay down or lie
can
down?
you check?
I'm not sure. Lie down, I think. I'm not sure. Lie is like X. Lie or lay? Lay down, right? Pero ¿cómo se pronuncia? Lay down
Oh, I don't know.
or lie down?
I always say lay down.
To lay down.
Qué susto. Pero este no es, ¿o sí? Sí. Establecer algo, imponer algo, no sé, tumbarse. ¿Vale? Siempre me lío. Ah, sí, lie, como mentira, lie. Por eso te decía yo, lie down. No estaba
To
seguro.
lie.
Ah, vale, o down, ¿vale? Here.
To lie down.
Oh,
To lie down.
I always thought was lay down.
Yo también, pero es lie down. ¿Sí?
Lie down.
Como mentira, como mentir. To lie down.
Oh, not lay down.
Pero también pone aquí lay back.
To lay back.
Oh, lay back. También se puede decir lay back. Claro, tiene
Oh
sentido.
my God.
Hacia atrás. Back.
Oh, that it will be difficult for me to forget that is to don't say
Not to
lay
say, not
down,
to say,
not
not
to
to
say lay down and say instead lie down. Ooh,
No problem, we will.
for many years.
We will
I-
work on it. ¿Dónde está? Ahí, siempre me equivoco. ¿Qué es este ahora? Me equivoco. Y quiero poner el otro. Y pongo el otro.
And so
Hello, good friends. Hi, good. Hello.
Oh.
Hello, maestre.
it's not possible. It's always here.
Yeah. Superstar, superstar.
Where are you, Mr. Biel?
Where are you from?
Where
Mallorca,
are you?
right? I
Where
guess.
do you live?
Do you live in Sineo? Where? In Palma? In Malachi? Where?
Mallorca? Where?
Okay, sigamos, ¿no?
So,
And then you press, right?
yeah, and you keep grabbing the arm of your opponent and you lie down the arm under your...
Now you lie down with the arm.
Yeah, but I want to say that the arm needs to be
Yeah,
lie down.
you keep. Keep es guardar, pero también es mantener.
Yeah.
Keep your opponent's arm as you lie down.
Ah,
Mientras as.
Yeah, but I would like to
Convey,
be
to convey.
more
Está convey.
precise,
Precise. ¿Vale? Puede ser
Yeah.
toda la precisa que
yeah,
quieras.
to say that the arm of
Yeah.
your opponent
Yeah.
need to be very close
Needs,
of
porque
you.
solo es uno. Needs.
Needs
Ah.
to be very close of with
From
your body.
Yeah. Of course.
Ah.
Very close, yeah. Because otherwise what happens if you are too far away? What can happen?
I leave space to the other to move and to escape.
Very good.
Yeah.
So, and to conclude, very good.
And to conclude,
Yeah.
you also need to put your knees very close to join your
Very
knees.
good. Yeah, to
I
join
was
you
looking for-
to close, to
yeah,
close.
to
Join or to
create
close.
pressure.
Pressure.